How to lock Facebook profile. In this video, I will show you how to lock your Facebook profile. First, open or launch the Facebook mobile application just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app where you will see all the posts shared by people. From there, tap on the menu icon. It is this icon with the hamburger symbol at the top right corner of the screen. This is the menu of your account where you will see different shortcuts and sections that will take you to different areas of your account. From there, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Continue scrolling down and tap on this option here named Settings and Privacy. The section expands to reveal more options as you can see here. From the options that are here, tap on this one here named Settings. This is the settings area of your Facebook account where you will see different options that you can use to make changes to the settings of your account. After that, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let's proceed. Continue scrolling down until you reach this section here named Audience and Visibility. Under the section, there are several options. From the options, tap on this one here named Profile Locking. Finally, you will land here where you are getting this page. You will see some information about what happens when you lock your profile. You can read if you want to understand more. After that, tap here, lock your profile, and your profile will be locked just like that. It is that simple. If this feature is missing on your account, then I will show you how you can get it. First, check if your Facebook application is up to date. You can do this in either the Play Store or App Store. This will make sure you get the latest features together with any missing features, such as the lock profile feature. Finally, come to the menu section of your account. After that, tap on this option here named Help and Support. The section expands to reveal more options. From the options, tap on this one here named Report a Problem. After that, proceed and do just like I'm doing here. The steps are very simple, but don't skip any to avoid confusion. Finally, you will land on this page where you will see different features you can report on. Scroll and look for the profile feature. Here it is, tap on it. Finally, you will land on this page where you are expected to write a short message explaining to the Facebook support team the issue you are facing. Make sure to explain to them clearly. Finally, send them the message and they will respond to you with a solution. That is how to lock a Facebook profile.